हेलो। हेलो।
हेलो।
सर मेरी आवाज क्लियर में अब कुछ आवाज सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है मेरे को। हेलो।
Very good evening, guys. Just wait for some more minutes. Let everyone join, and after that, we'll be starting with the uploading. Okay. Very good evening. I hope so my screen is audible, is visible and my voice is also audible properly. Can anyone confirm it? Well, perfect. So I'll ask the uh, admin to turn off his screen sharing so that I can share my screen. All right. So now the voice is clear or not? All right. Perfect. Okay. Just wait for a second. All right. Now I can share. All right. So before going up, I'll just quickly introduce myself. So I'm sort of saying as an SD as well as the CTO for the Zaalima groups, and I'll be going through each and everything, whatever that is important for you to take up as well as to understand on it, and also about like how you will be going up with the projects, how you will be going up with all the things, and all about the company and what are the things that are going up. Everything I'll be uh, guiding you through. Okay, so I hope so my voice is clear and audible and also the screen is visible to you. So I'll be starting. So before going up with certain things, I'll just ask some of you guys like for a quite engagement for also to know as like how exactly you are means what are your expectations and what are you feeling on your domain and each and everything on it. So yeah, can anyone please turn on their mic and just go up with their views like what means so exactly what is your goal or what you have thought of or exactly what you want from the company and means what are the benefits that you are looking for actually. Okay, and that's why actually you have joined. Okay, so it's a very simple question. You just need to answer, and so that I can understand like what are the things that you are over here, you are doing over here, that that do matters a lot. Okay, so that's why, and also I'd also means ensure that whatever the thing that you are asking for, that should be given to you by the teams over from here, and the teams who are working over here on your for your sake for means for you to train you all guys on the software products and after that onboarding you onto the software on certain software solutions that we are developing. So in that case means what are whatever the things that you want actually and what is a vision that I need to know actually. Okay, before starting with the profiles and everything, so can we go up with certain some replies from your side? Anyone? All right. Okay. Yeah. Now you can turn on your mic and you can go up. Yeah, you can turn on your mic and you can go up with your replies. Yeah, very good evening, Pawan. Tell me.
Good evening, sir. My name is Pawan Kumar, and I am from Ludhiana, Punjab. And
Okay.
the last year I am working in an IT company using the PHP language. And
Okay.
I really enjoy this work, and I had to left last year, and I want to start it again. That's why I am joining this session.
Okay. So basically here, I don't think so. We don't have any projects on PHP and that all. I think so. So which domain you have opted for?
Yes, I'm now uh, practicing Mern stack.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
All right. So you're going up with Monstack means it will be a totally new journey for you. Uh, with an experience on PHP, here you will be developing a full stack application. You will learn to develop a full stack application. That's completely fine. So what is your goal actually? What do you want from us?
Uh, so my goal is to keep the senior position in coding. That's my main motive to achieve in coding.
Okay. And what is your expectations from the trainings team, the teams who will be working with you?
In the early state, I just want to learn uh, from the new projects and exciting things from the projects. My
All
first
right.
goal is to learn new technologies and
All right. All right. Great. Fine. Very fine. So I got a perspective. Okay. Anyone else who want to speak?
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Hello, Aishu. Good evening.
Good evening, sir. Sir, I'm
Yeah,
from
please.
Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. I've
Okay.
done my BTech from computer science, and
All
I'm
right.
looking for I just joined this program to skill up, to polish my skills and all, and be industry ready. Because I'm not having
Okay.
any practical knowledge right now, so I'm expecting that.
All right. Fine. Great. Yeah, that's the thing that is why this particular platform and this thing actually is launched from the company because uh means nowadays if you go on to market, so you will be knowing like the people even in the early stage also, whatever the jobs that are being posted, that are written at least 1 year of experience, at least any work experience or like that. Okay, industries are requiring we need the people. We don't want to train them, but we need
Yes, sir.
people.
Yes, actually,
So
sir,
yeah,
I've completed my graduation last year, and I've been applying for this since 1 year, and that it's not like I'm not having any skill or what, but still I don't know what they expect from the freshers.
yeah.
They are not selecting the CVs and not proceeding with the things. I don't know what's
Yeah.
going on in the industry.
Yeah,
So
so actually that's the problem that we are actually solving, and we wish that we can solve it. Okay, that's why this is being started, other than from the software development and that all things, because we are also not hiring the people who don't know anything. Okay, means see, the thing is like if you are knowing like yeah, I know to code and I know the system architecture, I know, and that you know that yeah, I know, but no one knows that you will be knowing something. Okay, so for
yeah.
that you need to do certain certifications, you need to have certain experience on live project, you need to have certain experience on with the people who are working onto the projects directly, who are facing the direct clients. Okay, so that is the case. That's why this has been a very nice answer, and thank you so much for responding. And yeah, so the problem that you are facing, that same problem is being faced by hundreds and thousands of people who are graduating every year. Okay, so there are certain things like right now also, we have our different trainings team. Okay, that training team, in that trainings team, the people from even from the top MNCs like the Mang, like Meta or Amazon or American Express, and some are also from Global Logic. That's also a company, and some are also from IBM. So the people who are working over there, so they are investing their time over to train you actually. Okay, and they might also be from certain other companies also. I'm not remembering, and I'm also not having the accurate data like who are means what are the trainers who will be training you all guys. Okay, but in fact whom means we have tied up with them, that's why you all have given the fees for that. training actually. Okay, so in that training try to learn like what are the industry practices. Okay, don't focus on this is not a course. Okay, so do you know the difference between a course and an experience?
Yes.
Yeah. So course means like they will be going up in with the syllabus, and after that they will be giving you certain, means they will be going up from, means going from the bottom to the top, and they will try to grasp you all the things. So that is the course. Okay, that you need to do. But nowadays, if you are doing any course or some certain things that are not giving you any value, adding on your CVs or anything, the thing is that is only adding the values on your CV. That will, the first and the primary thing will be your experience, and the second thing is your certifications. Okay, so experience you will be getting it, okay, by doing, by working, by really contributing onto any projects, if it is under, if it is a open source, or if it is under any NDA or something. Okay, getting it? So that's the thing. So that's the thing you need to focus on. You need to learn the industry practices. That is the only thing that industry do ask in you. Okay, if they don't find any industry level skills over in your CV, they are rejecting you. They will be rejecting you because multiple things are happening now. Okay, if you see whatever that you have done over in your college or somewhere else, that is not matching with the requirements that are being asked by the company, or by any company or any institution or anything, for getting a relevant job on the field that you're looking for. Okay, so the syllabus or the curriculum that AICTE or the or the certain things like UGC they are following right now, they are refracting it. But in between this refractoring, multiple batches, let's say like from 2020, before that also, let's say from 2017, okay, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, even till 25 also, they are refactoring and making improved it, means making their AICT college syllabus or the curriculum improved, so that the students will be industry ready. Okay, but what to do when you don't know? You are falling under 2020 graduate or 2022 graduate or 2018 graduate. That means they will be lagging like exactly what happening in the industry, and why I am lagging. Even I am also a degree holder. I do also know that all things, but the thing is you are doing it manually. That's the problem. Okay, nowadays automation is on live. Okay, and also the AI tools that are regularly being developed, and also they are being circulated by the company, and also companies are using it. Means actually, so that's why it is happening. So what exactly you need to do? Tell me. What do you understand? Like what you need to do?
Gain some experience from industry.
No, no. Experience is a thing that you need it to add it on your CV, so that your CV get means get approved by the company. Other than that, what are the things that you are required to know?
To enhance skills and knowledge.
Skills and knowledge is also there. Okay. One
The
more thing
current
that what I
the
am
current
expecting from
trends,
your side.
whatever are going, like trends,
Yeah,
like what
great.
trends are expected.
Yeah,
To working
great.
on live project
So
like
industry
Real-time
practices are needed.
experience.
Yeah, industry practices are required to be there in you. Okay, you can learn Python from scratch. There are different YouTube videos and also courses that are available if you want to do it from scratch. But if you are now, if you are starting any of the language or anything from scratch, it will take too much time, and at the end, you will feel that you are unproductive. Okay, so that's the case. So that's why directly jump onto the problem statement and try to develop it. Use AI tools as much as you can. and generate the things and use that particular things, optimize the things with your own knowledge and put it on the software and develop it and make a difference. Okay, that is the thing, that is the mantra that you need to follow to get into the industry which is looking for. Okay, so it is not a very easy journey. Okay, it will not be a very easy, but it will not be a very hard. Okay, and it is also possible, it is not an impossible task, everyone is doing. Okay, so don't be fear of anything. Like if you're not understanding it, ask the trainer, they will be making you understand. If you're not understanding, again you can ask the trainer. But if you're not understanding for the third time, then you need to go up with the basics. Okay, so if you're not understanding for the third time after practicing also, you need to go up with the basics. So for basics, you need to deep dive onto that topic by investing your time other than the trainings. Okay, so after this you will be loaded with certain projects. Okay, the projects which we will be aligning with you. Okay, that all projects will be very important for you to go into the live also. And other than that, that particular project if you are developing, that will uh, add a value on your CV also, because that particular project will be having each and every features that is actually important for you to also understand and implement. And while, just imagine, while you are explaining that particular project in front of an interviewer who is from Google, and he's sitting at Seattle, US. So in that case, you will be explaining it, and he will be understanding, like, yeah, if he's not an experience, if he thinks like he is not an experienced guy, if he doesn't know the basics, then if you are explaining that particular project properly, so he will be getting to know, like, yeah, if this particular product is being developed by this person, then he might be knowing these all stuffs. Okay, confirm. Okay, so that's the thing. So your project that you will be focusing on, that will be enhancing your projectility of between you and the person whom you are explaining with. Okay, and the first and the foremost thing is the communication. Okay, so you can learn how to code, you can learn how to write, you can learn how to do things, but right now in this phase you can't learn how to speak. Okay, so if you are underconfident, or if you feel inconfident in speaking with anyone or explaining your views to anyone, then definitely you will not be getting any opportunities in tech. Okay, so understand this thing. These all things are the only thing that is lagging, that I am also seeing, that is lagging between the people who do come over there and who do ask for the job, but they are lagging in this particular thing. Because if a company is hiring you, let's say if Amazon is hiring you, okay, as a as a data engineer, okay, let's say for example. So means in the first year of your, like, of your tenure, you will be doing certain tasks that they will be giving. Means whatever the project they will be assigning you, you will be working on to that particular project, and you will be giving out your performance over there. But there will be a time, means after 6 months or 8 months, they will be requiring you to directly interact with the client and get the details and frame out, like, how actually you need to do with the team. Okay, not alone, with the team. And in that case, if you are lagging, that only they are checking, like, they do check actually, is like, what is the charm that is coming out from the person whom I am hiring. Okay, means is that person do wants, or if he doesn't know, if he wants to learn or not, if he is having that eager, that hunger of learning or not. Okay, so that particular thing, if it is missing, then in that case they will be rejecting. Even you are very good 5 star in rating, 5 star rated in software development, or building the logics on the problem statements, then also they will be rejecting your profile. Okay, so that important is the communication. So that's why you need to focus on to the communication first. Okay, because that is the important thing. Okay, without the communication, you can see, like, if you have experienced certain it's a hiring process. So the first process of elimination is the communication and the analytical round that do happen over there. Okay, am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So why that is coming on to the first? Why not the coding challenge, or application development challenge, or that all things are coming first? Correct. There is the thing that people do not understand. People do, like, means they ignore them. Like, yeah, I can talk, I can explain, but no. If you means the things that are really required is the team spirit. Means you are working with the team or not. You are working with the team or not. You are working within the team or not. You are splitting up your work or not, or you are taking all the loads in yourself or doing it like that. Okay, so that they do check in that test and in that interview that they do take. Okay, so if you are lagging on that thing, please refresh it, please brush up on that all things. And other than that, after that, go on to your elementary skill and skills that you are having, like coding, or like if you're going with the data related things, or data cleaning, data means all the ETL and ETL, that each and everything, whatever that is, that's coming over in your domain, on that you can focus on. Okay, so basically these all things are there that is actually required in you to grow. Okay, if you're not having these all things, then definitely you will not be getting the chance of it. Okay, so let's go on to the PPT actually. So here whatever that is written, that is the previous to the previous month's data, because we are calculating it after 2 to 3 months gap only. So till now we have done 3K plus projects completed. Projects completed means there are projects under that, sub projects are there, enhancements are there, each and everything. If it is completed and delivered, then we count it as one. Okay, so that's the thing, and we do believe in means delivering the solution within their budget actually. Okay, budget means every each and every client, whoever they come, if they want to start a startup, or if the client is a big MNC, if they want to develop a internal tool from our side. Okay, so everyone is having a concern whenever we are running a company at in India. So they are having a concern as it should be cost effective. Okay, cost effective means while we are affecting the cost, while we are reducing the cost, the quality should be in that level only. It should not dip. Okay, if the quality is dipped, then in that case, the customer, the client who is owning that particular project, they will be unhappy. Their business will be hampered. Okay, so in that case, we need to think of it like we need to have the quality on the top, but it should be cost friendly, as well as all of the features that they are asking. Is it means is it will be generating that profit or not? That all profit analysis, each and everything that we do actually. Okay, so basically, before that, we are having multiple presence in the other countries also, and that is also running basically. So, like that, it do happen. And other than that, right now we are having multiple projects on the streams. Like, first of all, I'll talk of my stream. Like, my stream is basically I'm managing the whole tech team. So, tech team means all the software products, as well as the means over in UAE. as well as in India, whatever the products that or whatever the projects that are being onboarded, on which the person, the people who are working over here remotely, so how to tackle it, how to go through it, and what will be the best, that all thing, that all analysis we do here over here. We do deep dive on the on that particular means whatever the means the pitch or the problem statement that is coming out from the client. So that will be a very raw. Okay, let's say I'll just give an example. If a client who do wants to start a business for an e-commerce on delivering the electronic components directly what they are manufacturing. Okay, so in that case, that is their problem statement. That it too listens. If you listen it, you will be feeling it like, yeah, it is very easy. We just need to develop a e-commerce platform, and that is fine. But no, we need to go up with the products that are currently live. Okay, how they are performing and what are their USPs. That all, each and everything for the business that do BA does with that client. Okay, and after the BA sessions are done with the client, then we are going up with the exact problem statement as well as the USP for that particular software and that particular idea that is being given by the client. Okay, after that we confirm that all things with the client, and after that only, if they confirms it, then that particular project is being onboarded. So after onboarding also, there will be multiple steps of verifications as well as the refraction of that feature analysis, UI analysis, UX analysis, data analysis, and projectile analysis, each and everything that is being done. Okay, after that we come, if that all of the things, if that are approved by the client, then we are going up with the development. So under development, again we'll be going up with the analysis of the problem statement and what will be the best stack that we can take up for this particular project, that will be decided. Okay, so that will be mutually decided by us as well as by the clients who are over there. Okay, so when it is being decided, after that we'll be assigning the people who will be going up onto that particular project to develop it. Okay, so then that thing, that particular project that is being onboarded, that is to be onboarded, that is getting onboarded onto the development side. Okay, after it is onboarded onto the development side, then all the things like, first of all, the engagements of all the features that should be there, that is being done, and after that each and every features are being deep dived by the people, and after that the under features as well as the sub features that have been discovered by them, and then we are then we got ready with a perfect tree of that particular application for which we can start working with. Okay, so that's the complete thing. I've just made make it very short for you to understand like how actually the work is being going up. Okay, so that's the only thing. It's very simple. You will also be learning these all things. So basically, for you, for us, and for your side also, we have certain domains that is open for you. Okay, to start your career basically. Okay, if you are starting your career, starting means you will be in a very blank stage. Just you know your goal and your things that you actually have read or have gone through over in your college or like that. Okay, if you're going up, if your means main domain was as a software technology or software development domain over in your college, or if you're going up with that domain, so in that case you will be going up with software development only. So under the software development, there will be currently I think there will be two domains that will be given to you. First one will be the MERN stack, and the second one will be the Java full stack with Spring Boot. Okay, So that is basically used for the internal tools development. Okay, so I think both will be given to you, and accordingly you will be trained on that. Okay, other than that, Python, machine learning, data science, data analytics, cyber security, UI UX, these all domains will also be opened by the company for you, okay, to join. So how you will be going up? So first of all, I'll just tell you, focus on the practical things more than the theoretical things. Okay, if you're not understanding how it is working, you can deep dive on it after the trainings or any time over there. But the thing is, the practical things, how actually this can be done, that will be the optimized way of doing that particular work that you need to understand. Okay, if you know the optimized way, how to do it easily, how to do it fastly, you are a good developer. Okay, if you know the basics as well as the advanced thing, but you are doing it manually and it is taking more time than a developer who is doing that particular work in less than half of the time that you are taking, so in that case your job is at risk. Okay, same for each and every field. For data analytics, for data science and machine learning, everywhere you will be finding a term that is the average handling time, that is AHT. What is your AHT for doing that particular work? So that is your scores. Okay, so that is the thing that you need to keep boosted in your mind so that you can go up with that thing. Okay, other than that, you can also go up in secure cyber security, UI UX, each and everything. These things are there. Okay, so that was all about the services that will be there. So I think this particular topic I have already explained you previously only, like what are the things that you need to do and why actually we have started this and why, I mean, on what aspects you will be getting benefited on. Okay, so that's all. So these are certain client reviews that you can also get it online. Okay, so that's the professional team, and other than that, multiple people who are over there and who have joined, and also they are contributing remotely only, because we are not right now we are not facilitating the all WHO, and so work from office for everyone, because the space and everything is means under the confirmation only. So that's why everything is going up an online way. So that's all. And yeah, this is a very important thing. So for any of the communication related to trainings, related to development, related to anything, you will just drop a mail to the support only. Okay, support at the rate zalima.in, that's all. Okay, other than that, whatever the problem that is related to your offers, related to your offer letter or your career or anything, any queries or any questions, you will be giving your mail at hr at the rate zalima.co.in. Okay, so these two emails will be your primary communication with the company. Okay, other than that, if you're calling onto this particular phone number or calling in that, you need to call it in office hours only. That will be shared to you on your mail. Other than that, for calling, I would not prefer, because there are multiple people who, what actually they are speaking onto that and what actually the information that they are giving. So for that, for getting an accurate information from the company, you can just mail it and wait at least for 6 to 12 hours. Okay, within that particular time frame, you will be getting your mail replies on it. Okay, so that only you need to do. And one more thing, while communicating for any doubts over in offers or anything over to your HR, that will be at hr@zalima.co.in. So in that case, you have to send your mail with the registered mail ID that you have used over while registering for the trainings and for the internships. Okay, because if you are not sending the mail with your registered mail ID, then that particular mail ID will not be going to the HR who have onboarded you. Okay. So basically, the system is like whenever you are sending out the mail to your HR, the HR email that you are getting, that is a single mail. But there are multiple HRs that are sitting over there who is segregating everyone's details. Okay, who is having the details. So in that case, means when you send your mail, the mail system, our mail system will be checking out like this particular mail ID is associated with which HR's mail ID. Okay. If it is matched with certain HR mail ID, then that particular mail will be sent to him only, him or her, whatever that is. Okay. If it is not being matched, so in that case, it will not be going up to him and that mail will be dropped. So in that case, your mail might not be replied. Getting it? So these all things you need to keep in mind, and that's all from our side. I hope so you have understood each and everything. If any doubt is there, you can ask. Other than that, we can turn off this. Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, excuse me,
Yes,
sir.
please. Yes, please tell me.
सोच
Can
रही
you
थी कि फिल्म
please,
बढ़िया और देखे ना भैंस क्या भाई
sir,
मतलब
can you
फुल
please
ऑन
tell the
ड्रामा
mail
दिखा
once
रहा है कि
again?
उसमें 3 घंटे का ड्रामा और अगर कोई बोलेगा ना कि मेरे साथ ये
Oh, once again, I'm not getting your questions.
Sir, can you please repeat the mail?
All right. I'm just writing that particular mail over in the chat. Okay. Just over on it. I'll just writing over there. Okay.
And when will be the training start?
Yeah, the trainings will be started by the coming week. Okay, don't worry about it. Before that, you will be getting the communication from the company on your mail. Okay, like what exactly you need to do and what all formalities are there, other formalities. Okay, that you need to do. And by the coming week, your sessions will be started onto certain topics or certain within the domains. Okay,
Thank you.
all right, fine. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, the certificates are,
All right.
sir, the certificates are provided only for the 3 month interns or all the 2 months implementation,
Everyone,
sir.
everyone, everyone.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
All right. So if it is completed, then there is a request like you need to turn on your cam for the attendance purpose. So this will be the one time. After that, there will be no attendance. Okay. Like it will be automatically tracked. Okay. So just 1 second. Let me get the confirmation with the admin so that he will be actively taking it. Okay. Just wait for their replies.
हेलो
Yes, please tell me.
सर आई हैव अ क्वेश्चन सर
Yeah, yeah.
सर कंपनी सर गिविंग अ this internship completion certificate completion certificate sir.
Once again, please.
Sir, company giving us a completed certificate for this internship.
Yeah, yeah, everything you'll be getting after your completion only.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
All right.
Excuse
All
me,
right, you can, yeah, tell me.
sir. This session will be continued for daily on a daily basis at this time only.
It can be daily, it can be weekly, means on the weekends. Okay, as per the requirement, Means how you are grasping on the things. If you are grasping it quickly, then you will be having the alternative days only. And if you are having multiple problems, or if you need
Hello.
the help regularly, so in that case you will be having regular sessions
So
accordingly.
for tomorrow, is there any session regarding this?
So for every session, means before that, the team lead who is having over there, wherever you have joined, okay, either it is Slack or Discord or WhatsApp, anything, so they will be conveying you the message for that. Okay.
Hello.
Yes, please.
Hello, sir. Sir, this stipend is for all candidates or something else?
Yeah, no. So basically, the stipend will be given to the person who will be working. Means working means you will be getting your scorecards that will be generated every month. Okay. According to your scorecards will be the grades will be given to you by the trainers as well as by the reviewer, project reviewer, that will be who will be reviewing your project. Okay. And accordingly, you will be getting out your stipends.
Sir, minimum amount of 1,000, there is a mention. Yeah.
Yes, what?
Minimum amount of salary given to a candidate is 1,000 for every candidate. I think there is mention in offer letter in the advertisement. Firstly,
I'm not getting it actually. So, whatever the thing that is written on your offer, that will be the offer
sir,
that you will be getting.
in this internships advertisement, first advertisement, there is a mention that yeah, 400 rupees of training fee will be refundable if you have successfully completed the internship. That's true or what?
If it is written, then that will be true only.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir.
All right.
Hello, sir.
Yes, please.
The training start date, sir. The project training start date. Hello.
Yes, please.
The training start date, sir.
Your voice is not. I'm not
The
able to
training
listen it.
start date, sir. Training
I
start
have
date
already told it will be started by the coming week.
coming week. Okay, okay. Thank you. Hello,
Sir,
sir.
what's the timing?
Hello, sir. Sir,
Yeah,
what's
the
the timing
timing will
for
be
training,
after
sir?
6 p.m. only, because there are multiple working professionals as well as the college people. So
Okay, sir.
accordingly,
Morning 9 to evening 6, sir.
no,
Okay,
no,
sir.
no, no. Basically, your trainings will be done after 6 p.m. in the evening. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
anytime you will be getting notified. Okay, don't
Yeah.
worry.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Mhm. All right, you can just come up
Sir,
with your camera so that the admin will be taking up the screenshots. Is ready with that. Okay. As well as they will be registering the attendance according to your email ID uh, from which you have joined over here. Okay. So actively doing means do it. Just turn on a camera and be there for a while. Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much. All right, fine. You can turn off your cam. And thank you so much for joining and asking such valuable questions. And don't worry about anything. Just you need to do is learning the best practices as well as contributing onto the projects. And accordingly, you will be getting out your things. Okay. And thank you so much. Best of luck for your good health as well as for your career. Okay. Thank you.